Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we will be creating a raised dog bowl. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and just keep in mind that I am a beginner web worker, so I am not an expert. I do a lot of mistakes. Don't go by whatever I do. Do your own research and watch other videos and from more experienced woodworkers. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, the width or the depth of the tray or the stand is 10 inches, and then it's by 19 and 3/4. And the height, you can't see it in the picture, but it's 15 inches total. And that 2x4 that's going up, it's actually 10 inches. And if you add the 2x4 at the bottom, the 2x4 frame at the bottom, it's about 3.5, 4 inches. And then if you add the board on the top, which it's going to be about maybe 3/4 of an inch. So that would equal around roughly around 14.5, 15 inches total as in height. And as you can see, I'm measuring the board. This board is actually 20 inches wide, so I will be cutting it in half, making it 10 inches. As you can see there, I'm measuring it and then I'm clamping it down. I'm not really an experienced woodworker, so excuse my mistakes. I do a lot of mistakes on this, especially when I cut that circle, or the round part that where the bowl goes in. Anyways, right there, what I'm doing, I'm cutting the board with the circular saw. It's actually, I like this saw because it's you don't have a wire to look after, and just grab it with the other hand so it doesn't fall and break. And what I'm doing right there, I'm just drilling the holes. I actually speeded up the speed there, make it quicker, so you're not bored with this. Anyways, I just made holes all around that circle just to make it easier on me, because like I said, I'm not really an experienced woodworker, and it's really hard for me to do a hole like a nice round hole. Even like with this, it's kind of hard to do. So as you can tell, my table, at this time I didn't have a work table, a solid work table, but I had to use whatever I had. So, and that is the circle. It looks like it fits. It's not perfectly round, but it fits. And right there, what I'm doing, I'm just measuring all the boards. You got 4 that are 10 inches, and then you got a few that run across about 19 and 3/4. So those are the ones that are the post, that are the legs actually, and those are the longer boards. So 2 longer boards and 4 10 inches. So 2 of those and 2 10 inches. As you can see, I'm waiting for the saw to stop. Sometimes you get a kickback, and I just wanted to make sure that I'm cutting the boards that go in the middle. So just depending on what type of wood or how wide you're going to be using, that's how wide that board's going to be. I usually just preset everything and then just like put it like that, and then just measure whatever space I need. Like for that small board, I'll just put 2x4s and then just measure the space in the between, and that's how big the board is going to be from the middle. Just depending, same thing with the longer one, just depending how big you want it or how small you want it for your dog. Like I said, this is recommended for larger dogs, not extra large, not like a San Bernard or anything like that, but for a larger dog, just large. And I'm pre-drilling I always try to pre-drill on my holes so to prevent splitting. And I do clamp everything so it doesn't move. I didn't glue anything because somehow my dogs are attracted to glue, and I just didn't want them to be chewing on this. So that's one of the reasons why I didn't put glue, because they they can't keep their mouths to themselves, and I didn't want to attract the glue part. So I just used screws. As you can tell, that board on the top, it is a repurposed board. It's already been used, and that is the final product right there. I do use screws to screw everything up. Just 2.5 or 1.5, whatever you have, will work. And just do some painting, and pretty much you got a nice raised dog bowl there for you. As you can see there, my dogs are actually eating them, so it's perfect the size for them. I had a problem with the white dog in this one, the female pit bull. She always, or pit bull mix, she always try to eat quicker, and somehow this makes her eat slower and have a better digestion, and that way they're not eating from all the way to the ground and bringing the food up, through their insides. But this makes sure it, helps them out have a better digestive and eat a little calmer. So I did have to build two, because they fight for the food if they get closer, or so you have to separate everything into two. Well, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.